As we draw this insightful conclave to a close, it is my honor to invite Mr. Amit Kekre, Committee Chairman, Power and Infrastructure, Bombay Chamber, and Vice President, Head of E-Mobility, Siemens Limited, to deliver the concluding remarks.
So it's going to be difficult because I'm between you and the lunch. A very quick recap of this entire enriching morning, what we have experienced. Distinguished guests, esteemed panelists and industry colleagues, thanks first of all sparing your time today morning. And we heard it from Mr. Pathak in the morning about the 1 trillion economy and Maharashtra's progress to achieve that. You probably have already heard that Maharashtra has reached the number 1 position in the electrical sector in the country, India. My always question is, are we benchmarking ourselves against the right competition? Are we competing against the 28 states of India or Singapore or Taiwan of the world, where we are trying to attract the best manufacturing industry to Maharashtra? So that will be a question we should ponder upon, but thanks to all the panelists and speakers, which actually drove us to think about all the opportunities and challenges. The exponential growth has been already confirmed. Very clear demand came was the single window clearance, synchronized policy in the center and state. Thanks to Ms. Patil about talking about how can we bridge the gap between supply and demand. The 5 points way forward is very important. We should follow about it. Egypt's colleagues already showcased the opportunity for us to bring India and Egypt together to work in the renewable energy sector. These are the opportunities our industrial colleagues can look at as a business opportunities. Last but not least, this is the Bombay Chamber of Commerce humble approach all the time to bring all the industry participants together, provide the platform to not only think about the opportunities and challenges, but then evolve with the industry. So I really thank you everybody to participate in this event. Thanks Bombay Chamber of Commerce to actually conduct this kind of platforms. Looking forward for all to continue to participate in the Power and Infra committee events and actively be member of this. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. As we reach the end of the session, I invite Sandeep Khosla, Director General of Bombay Chamber, to please deliver the vote of thanks.
So I think Amit has already thanked everyone on the Bombay Chamber's behalf, so I won't repeat the same thing. I'm thankful to each and every one of you for being here today, our speakers and everyone else, moderators. Special thanks to Amit for putting this together as the chairman of the Energy Committee. My colleague Minal, who's really worked very, very hard to get the best of speakers. It's her dedication and hard work which has ensured that. Sakshi, her colleague, and Utkarsh, who's moderated so well. Our sponsors, without whom we wouldn't have been able to put this together, Surya, Marvin, and Maharashtra State Distribution Company. And last but not the least, the honorary, the Consul General of Egypt in India, Ms. Dalia, who's ensured that we had an international speaker as well. So thank you, Mang. Thank you for your help. And with that, may I invite all of you to lunch. I think lunch is delayed. Everyone would be hungry. So please join us for lunch. Thank you.